Hey, how's it going? Davo here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook a steak in your air fryer. It's quick, it's delicious. All right, let's go. So to start off, I'm going to preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes at 200 degrees. Now the air fryer has been preheated, I'm just going to whack some oil on and hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Flip her over and do it again. I also should mention that I had left this steak out for about 30 minutes beforehand to get it to room temperature. Now we're going to go ahead and pop this in and give it 200 degrees for about 7 or 8 minutes, really depending on your air fryer. I'm going to go with 7 first and see how we go. Also got to remember to flip it halfway. Okay, so we're about halfway. I'm going to give her a quick flip over and let her finish off. Be back in 4 minutes. Alright, so now we're going to pull it out and leave it to about 5 minutes. Alright, so now it's been about 5 minutes. We're just going to go ahead and cut this one up. Alright, so now we're going to give it a quick go, see how it goes. It's not bad at all. I do honestly rather the barbecue to this. We've ended up a bit more cooked than I was expecting. We're probably medium well done here. There's still a little bit of pink. And I will say it has kept the juice really, really well. So next time you're in a pickle and you need to cook a steak quickly, think about throwing it in your air fryer. Thanks for watching.